Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This is a very special episode because I found what I consider a very unique Elmo doll. Oh, this is so fun. Okay. I'm cutting. These are little stitches here. Again, we're saving the pizza. If I can do something with that pizza, oh, I'll be a happy camper. Okay, there we go. And what would this be called? I know we're partially way into this little video here, and I didn't ask that question earlier. I probably should have. What is he called? Is he the Pizza Elmo or what? So those of you who know these Elmo dolls and are not upset because I'm already tearing it apart, tell me what it is. 'Cause I still have one good one. And I wouldn't mind keeping him intact. There he is. Okay. Now, we've got the pizza. The pizza does this, and it does that, and it does this. I'm trying to see, oh, this actually might work pretty well. Okay. See this, it's got an arm here that looks like it moves the mechanism. See, look at that. Okay, I don't know if I were to remove this, if it would work as well. Oh, wow. I am so tempted just to start tearing that thing apart. Let me try him again. Let me see what he does. This is how you kind of check it out.
Let's sing the pizza song together.
Okay. It rocks back and forth.
Just like a cake.
Okay, it looks like this outer piece here is the part that rolls the eyes, but the actual mechanism that does the mouth movement is inside. It's a gearing inside. It's amazing what people can do with these toys. You know what, guys and gals? I think this is pretty much it. I'm going to do this, though. I'm going to go ahead and continue. Actually, is it? Oh, it is. Awesome. These are held on by zip ties as well, these legs. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the zip ties. Come on. Get my diagonal cutters here. Since we're not saving the fabric, we can go ahead and just go crazy removing stuff. There we go. That's one of them. And then the other one's right there. Okay, so they're pretty consistent with their spacing. Hold on. We're going to get it to work. Okay, if that's what I have to do, that's what I have to do. Okay, so there it is. Almost done. So again, if I can get these to separate, there's one. There's two. Okay. And then I think if we, yep, there we go. There's that one and that one. And then again, we just need to, pull the zip ties out. So it'll make it easier to cut the legs off. Okay. Cut the legs on the back. Right up the back there. And there's one leg. And two legs. There we go. We have taken the Elmo fur and all that off. We now have what appears to be a crazy robot. A crazy robot. Look at this. We're gonna play him like this. Here we go.
Let's sing the pizza song together. The pie we made with dough and then we throw
So the robot that sounds like Elmo.
into the air. Yeah. Soon we'll add some sauce and then some cheeses, and then we bake. Just like a cake. Yummy, yummy. That's a pizza pie. Yummy, yummy. You toss me in the sky. A pizza pie is very nice. It's good to eat them by the slice. Yummy, yummy, yum. Making pizza so much fun. The talking pizza.
Craziness. Craziness, I tell you. Well, I'll tell you what, we did it. We made I don't know what even to say. We have a dancing robot with a pizza in his arm. We have an Elmo skin that I will probably reduce to a Elmo in a pickled Elmo. That'll probably work, and I can have it in a really small container. And so it's a win-win-win for everybody. And you had fun being here, hopefully. Well, there it is. We are having fun building Elmo stuff. Those of you who have been with us before, thank you very much for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And this is the DIY Magician with the creepy Elmo Chef telling you to see you next time. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.